I'm still.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Keeping Up with P. And P, that's me. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. And if you are returning, what it do? Boo. As y'all can tell, your girl is back with another video. And from the title, y'all can tell I'm going to give y'all a tutorial on how to put on lashes properly. Because I know a lot of people be struggling. So when I'm not wearing my lash extensions, I'm wearing false eyelashes or whatever. So in today's video, I will be using this mirror. Y'all can see me in the mirror. But I'll be using this mirror, in which I purchased from Five Below, and of course it was $5. These 3-pack of false lashes, I have another pack or whatever. They were $9.99. I got these from my local beauty supply store. Next is tweezers. You can get these from literally anywhere. Lastly, hair glue. Now, I usually use lash glue, but I don't have any lash glue. So hair glue does the trick. It does the same exact job, and that's just period. And I'm going to just use the tip of one of my little brushes or whatever that I use. I'm just gonna use the tip just to dip into the glue because it's kind of like stuck, but whatever. So I just gotta dip down when I do it. So I'm gonna open up my lashes. So I'm gonna use the bottom rack for this video purpose or whatever, because these ones I have been wearing and I just placed back in here. So I'm gonna use my handy dandy tweezers, and now I'm just gonna take it off. So I don't know if y'all can see, but like at the ends, like it's like poking out. So this is where I'm gonna go, and on the other side as well a little bit. So this is where I'm gonna go and use my scissors, and I'm just going to cut. I'm just going to cut off that little piece. And then I'm just gonna go over on the other side and cut. Okay, so now it's perfectly shaped, as you could see. So first step is getting these shaped and making sure that they are also shaped to your eye shape or whatever. I know these are shaped to my eye shape, so I'm not really tripping or whatever. But so I know these are shaped to my eye shape, so eyelid shape or whatever, so I'm not really tripping. But I am going to go and do the same thing that I did to the first one to the second one. Yeah, okay. So sometimes it'd be hard to tell which lash to put on or whatever. I kind of sometimes just look at it as if, okay, right, left or whatever. Right, left, right. Okay, right, left or whatever. So this one that I have in my hand would be my left one. So I'm just gonna open up my glue. I'm gonna stick this in there. And as you can see, I got some stuff on there, and I'm just going to glide it. So like this, I'm going to glide it along, and I don't know if you can see, but the glue is on there or whatever. And I'm just going to stick that back in. So now actually putting them on. So you will always want to start with in the middle. Some people use the tweezers. I kind of go in with the tweezers last. Make sure that the lash is matched up, like actually with my regular lashes. So I definitely will use your mirror, get up close or whatever, and you kind of also can like look under or whatever. That'll help you as well. It's really killing me that y'all can see my reflection, but whatever. So what you're gonna do is place it in the middle and then fill out the rest. So like place it in the middle and then secure the sides, the edges of it. So I'm about to go in and do this. So it's in the middle, and now I'm gonna go bet I'm not going nowhere. Because I'm about to take these right off. But it's okay. And boom, now it's on. So I typically just like let this sit or whatever, and then I'm gonna go in and put the other one on, and then I go back in with my tweezers. So this is still you know, you putting them on. Always, like I said, make sure that you are placing, when you, after you're finished putting the product on it or whatever, make sure that you are placing it in the middle of your lash, because that allows you to like fix anything instead of like placing it somewhere else and then you have to take it all off because it's not lined the correct way. So once again, I'm going to pick up my mirror and I'm going to go in and I'm going to place it in the middle and then go in and secure both edges. Okay, so I have both of the lashes on and they are really secure. I'm gonna try to see it, but they are really secure. What I'm just gonna go in and do now is use my tweezers and like press to make sure that, once again, like I said, my lash and my regular eyelashes are all both together or whatever. And then I kind of go in sometimes with the lash brush that I use for my lash extensions just to make sure that they all are falling, you know, together or whatever, because I don't have mascara or whatever. So yeah, I literally just go and like do this at the bed of the eyelash, making sure my lash is secure with my actual lashes on my face. And then literally like that's it, y'all. Like, and just like that, y'all, those are easy steps on how to apply your lash so that your lashes is good and they secure all night and you don't gotta worry about having to reapply anything, because baby, these boys stay glued down until I come home and I take them off. But if y'all like this video all the way through, I thank you, as I thank you all the time. We are on the road to 300 subscribers, 300 family members. So y'all make sure y'all turn them bell notifications on. Make sure y'all tell a friend to tell a friend. I want to like start doing all type of different stuff, so y'all please comment down below stuff that y'all want. I actually want to do like a chit chat video, so answering like questions and stuff like that. So go ahead on Instagram and DM me questions that you would like for me to answer. It could be anything. This is a girl chit chat I want to do. So yeah, but this is the end of this video on how to correctly apply lashes. I hope you all felt that this video was useful in a sense and you kind of got a gist of how to do it or whatever when you're not wearing lash extensions. And yeah, it's your girl P and I'm out.